Hi guys, and it's Anita, and we're going to be unboxing 5 mini brand Vanish Series 3. So let's see what we'll get, and we're going to open the first layer. There's 2 layers to open this, so yeah. Okay, so let's get the first layer out. I might make I might make like a homemade 5 mini brand, so I'm just gonna keep the trash and make it. So it's gonna be reusable. And since 5 mini brands needs 2 layers, I'm gonna keep every layer I open. And this white part, I am not gonna keep at all because it's too hard to close and open, so yeah. Or I might craft with this. So yeah, let's get on with the second layer. I might paint that and then put some homemade toys in it and then add some clear tape. In the future, we'll do that thing, but I'm keeping this zipper part, so when it closes, it'll be easy. You better come off layer. Ooh, look how that came out shiny. Ooh, I think I should do it like this. So, put it on top of here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wait, now it looks good. A mini brand. And here's your gift. Nothing. Last time I opened a kind of 5 mini brands, I was struggling to open the back side and I broke it. This is where I'm supposed to open it. Right here, right here. Sorry, I apologize for so much light. Right here. Right here, you see that? Let's see what it looks like with no light on. Yep, we need light. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna keep my 5 mini brands in this zipper bag, so yeah. So it's when we make a homemade one, Or I could keep these and stick it, tape it onto it for my homemade, so every time I open it. I got the same one as the last one. I got this. I got this again. Oh, wait. I got this again. I got this again. So, we're gonna put that in here. So, keep the trash. I mean, not trash. I got OMGs. I got another pink Hershey syrup. That's one of the rarest kinds, almost. Wait, I got to look at here. I got one of the metallics. Oh my gosh, look, look, look. That's the metallic right here, right here. The number is Just 12 because there's like a 0. Right there. Look. And I got it in real life. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Gluten-free. Oh. Yeah, I never got like the pink. I got the pink kind before. So, see you in part 2.